Good morning from Costa Rica, Pura Vida. We are here at the Rainmaker. This is one of my favorite rainforest parks in the entire country. I'm here with Masha, and it is her first time here in the jungle of Costa Rica. We are going to wander around, explore the trails, see the waterfalls, look for poison dart frogs, and any other incredible wildlife which comes our way. What are you looking for today?
The poison frog.
The poison dart frog?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna find some.
Some nicely green one.
No slipping, at least not this early in the day. I hope you will enjoy this walk. We're going deep into the jungle. It's a beautiful area. Come along with us.
And of course swimming in the waterfall.
What do you want to do?
Waterfall.
Waterfall swimming.
Skinny dipping.
Let's do that.
That's a good one.
Which way should we go?
Sendero del Rio.
No, that's the wrong way.
Shit. Oh, that's... Chale, I can't pronounce those stupid things.
Sendero Puentes.
Sendero Puentes.
Very good. Let's go up the stairs.
Oh. What's that?
That is an empty tray of food, and there's no animals following it, but there are ants. Is that the first waterfall you've ever seen in Costa Rica?
Yes.
What do you think about it?
It's magnificent. It's so cute. I want to climb the rock. I want to take a sexy picture. On that one. I think that one was going to be better what it's so cute.
Ready?
I mean, I am. How sturdy that thing. Oh!
Go for it.
But it... Oh, Charlie, is it gonna handle my... Is it gonna be sturdy? I mean, I'm actually dead serious. It's freaking
Only one
shaky.
way to find out.
But it's also slippery. It feels slippery. It feels very shaky. It feels like it's gonna... Do they test it every day?
Every day.
I'm not...
You're scaring the
big.
sloths.
Scaring the slots.
Go.
While I'm walking this...
Should we do it?
Johnny, I'm gonna kill you. Johnny, go.
Better keep going. That is a shaky bridge.
Stop shaking it. Oh, that was intense.
You made it.
Oh, there's more of those there.
A lot more.
A lot more?
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I don't trust those things.
Looks pretty good to me. Is it hot in the rainforest?
It's very hot in the rainforest. I don't know, because I'm scared of this stuff that's gonna bite me.
Do they not have rainforests in Russia?
They don't have rainforest in Russia.
When you hike in the rainforest, you have to bring lots of water. Do your cardio ahead of time to get ready.
But where do you pee?
There are no bathrooms in the rainforest.
That's for the girls. The girls need that stuff. So all the girls need to know there's no bathrooms. All girls need to know there is no bathrooms in the rainforest apparently. So you have to be prepared to take a pee in this. And it's not looking promising. Because there always is something that can bite your ass. Like I feel at least it's going to be way too many holes here. Somebody's out and about.
Look, Mashenka, there's a millipede.
Oh, it looks very fat. Do they eat them somewhere in Thailand?
Sure.
I thought I saw it somewhere in a video where they eat them and they put them in the chocolate stuff.
I think that's a different kind of millipede.
Probably the same taste. Think about it. I think it's gonna be this. Can you touch it?
Probably best not to touch it.
Don't touch anything in the rainforest. Okay, well, oops. We're almost not there.
Only 10 more miles to go.
Come.
Yeah, it's only 10 miles.
No, it cannot be 10 miles. I'm about to pass out in about a mile. We need to take a swim.
You're in the jungle.
No, where is the jungle lake?
You made it to the Mirador,
Yeah,
the top of the hill.
sweetie.
Look at that.
Oh, it's beautiful there.
See the ocean?
Oh my God, that's the ocean. That's the ocean.
That's right. You're on top of the mountain.
On top of the world. Costa Rica. It's not a typical hike because you really don't need a regular hiking gear. You need a bathing suit. A bathing suit, boots, and you're good to go. I mean, seriously, you really don't. This is just so hot. Everything is so sticky. There's no bugs. I don't feel anything.
We better find our way to the waterfall.
So you just might as well save you some trouble and just go naked. Easy to pee. Just
This is my favorite part of the trail.
I don't think it's gonna be mine.
You're gonna love this. We're going on the sky bridges here.
Don't shake them, Mom.
The sky bridges are awesome here in the Rainmaker.
Don't shake them.
And they will take you all the way to the waterfalls. Go fast.
I cannot go fast. I don't want to look down. It's not that I'm scared. I'm not scared.
You made it. Now you're ready for the big one. Ready for the big one? This is my favorite one. That is a really long way down. Come on.
And
Come
I'm
on.
not a chicken. I can't. I'm not gonna, because
Come on.
I mean, if Charlie, don't do that.
Come on.
I'm not a chicken. It's just, you call it self-preservation instinct. That's different.
You look down. No, look at the waterfall.
No, you see, waterfall is not scary. Just don't look down. Look at the waterfalls.
All that old growth rainforest. Vibrant from all of the rain that we've had the past couple of weeks. It's about to be the ultra rainy season here in Costa Rica, which runs May, June, July, and August. Perfect time to experience the majesty of the wild jungle. Okay, let's get off the bridge.
Chummy, don't do that. You're walking like an elephant. Gotta go gentle.
How do you say elephant in Russian?
Slon.
Slon?
Slon.
Like sloth?
And at the end.
Oh, okay. What an extraordinarily beautiful place. Are you enjoying your time in the jungle?
Oh yeah. Got a bathing suit ready for it.
You ready to go see the waterfalls?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
And swim in them too.
Let's go.
Let's do it. I was walking like an elephant on that. It's so bouncy. It's so bouncy.
It's bouncy?
It's very bouncy. Probably it's not a good idea to bounce on them, just in case. I mean, you don't want to...
You made it through the bridges.
Do we have more bridges?
Now we have to go down to the waterfalls.
The best part?
Let's go.
Let's do it. Wet.
Everything's wet?
Everything is wet as hell.
Is it rainy season?
It is rainy. It's the beginning though. It's the very beginning of it. So it's like, how you call it, in a cusp of things.
That's
But
why
sort of like
everything is so green.
green and lush and wet and alive. So.
What
let's
more do you
see.
need?
We need a green frog.
That's a nice looking lizard. It's another waterfall.
It's a good one, and it's a stable bridge. No wobble wobble.
Let's go find the big waterfall.
And dive into it.
Another lizard. One thing I love about the Rainmaker, they do a nice job maintaining the trail. Super comfortable, a little slippery, but these tires make it a little easier to get around.
I mean, definitely. It's not just a typical hiking ground. It's wet.
It was not always like this. This used to be a very rugged, rough trail. They've really cleaned it up to make the park accessible for everybody. Oh yeah.
Wobble wobble again. What do you think? Oh, look how pretty it is. It's like,
Fine.
huh?
How beautiful it is here.
Very pretty.
You loving it?
I love it.
Look.
Look how cool it is. Jealous of you.
It's a millipede. Touch him very gently and do it fast and take your hand away.
Why?
Just
If
do
I'm-
it. It's fun. You're gonna love it. Give him a back massage. Didn't really touch him.
I did touch him.
Oh yeah.
Can I go in? I want to go in.
You certainly can. Just be careful, it's very strong.
Well, we gotta. How was the water temperature?
I'll show you how to do it. It's very cold.
Douglas thinks it's not gonna hold. I'm not sure about that one because we girls with long hair, we gotta do something with them. Maybe like that. My legs are shaking, literally.
You're gonna love this.
Wait, what is this? Mother of fucking God, it's cold.
Are you ready?
Not really, but the pressure is on. It's very cold. It's cold. and it's very rocky. But I'm going to, never done it. Oh my God, it's freezing.
That way. You gotta go over there.
I'm at the waterfall. It's very cold. The current is very strong. So Charlie wants me to like, and I'm not sure if I can because I'm scared for the hair, but I'm gonna try. Woo!
Go get the rope.
Why? I'm scared to get the rope. It's very close to the things. I don't like the rope. I don't like the rope. You guys can take a rope. I'm gonna just 1, 2, 3.
It's a giant jacuzzi.
Giant jacuzzi minus the. Woo!
Having fun yet?
We always have fun, and there is nobody here. Nobody. It's just me and Charlie, and that's it. And the rainforest is. No, this is so cool. I love it.
That is a powerful waterfall.
Oh yeah, very powerful. But like once you get used to it, it's like super fun. It's like so refreshing, so awesome. The water is very nice now, and it's fun to play in it. Woo! Whee! Woo! I'm still scared to go all the way, but maybe I'm going to.
Here, I'll go. Rainmaker 2025. It is cold, but we're going for it anyway.
Oh, he's going for the rope. Oh my God, like that, Charlie? Where are you? Oh my God. Oh my God, that's how it's done? How was it?
Powerful.
Immersing yourself.
There's like a tree branch under there. Yikes. That is a hell of a waterfall. There's no going back.
I don't know. I'm scared. Okay, I think we're gonna be one of those fucking. If this is gonna be on YouTube, this is gonna be at least a true video. Like all of it is like, oh yeah, blah blah blah. This is such a baloney. This is scary as fuck. There is no, I can't.
Oh no. I don't want to lose the camera.
I don't wanna kill myself. I mean, if anybody's gonna make it look pretty, they're lying to you.
Ugh. Look at the power on this thing. That is awesome.
I'm telling you, whoever's gonna try to make it look pretty, I'm fucking pretty.
Okay, Masha, now's your time.
I don't know about
Show us
that.
how to do it. That is strong water. There she goes. Deep breath. Yep.
It's too easy,
You gotta go around again. You were.
I want to be in the middle.
Powerful, huh?
Whoa. But it's fun. Like if you like brace yourself for that, it's really fun. But it's not going to be pretty.
Did you enjoy your time in the waterfall?
Oh yeah. And now I took off the pants and I put on the top because now after waterfall it feels like it's over appropriate thing to do. But the sun is higher and I'm always concerned about the sun. You know, with the sunblock.
We've got double lizards. Look at the color on that lizard. Amazing. There he goes. You made it.
That's a bridge.
Oh wow.
Look at this.
What do you see?
Places to swim. Look at the little pool, right?
Beautiful.
Oh, don't give up.
You want to go see some more waterfalls?
More waterfall.
Let's go.
I'm a decent waterfaller right now. Oh, so many things. We got to swim in this. Yes.
Are you enjoying your time here at the Rainmaker?
It's definitely fun. So many places to go and swim. No quite cold. And very dangerous, but totally worth it. I'm telling you, just rain in, walk in your rain suit in the rainforest and swimming. That's the best way to go.
What do you see?
It's really pretty.
Let's go.
Whoa! No Charlotte, everything that we need to go in.
Natural jacuzzi.
This one is definitely natural jacuzzi.
Where are you leading us?
More waterfalls,
You taking us deeper into the jungle?
deeper into the jungle.
You are never at a loss of waterfalls to swim in when you are visiting the Rainmaker. If you get here early enough, you have the whole place to yourself, which I highly recommend. They open at 7:30 in the morning. If you're here at 7:45, even on a weekend, it's all yours. Particularly during rainy season. Only thing is, if it rains a lot for a few days before you get here, these waterfalls get swollen and crazy, and it's not so much fun to be in them because they are raging. But right now, it's perfect.
Not be better.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous and nobody here. I mean, that's what I feel like is the best part of it. It's like so beautiful and it's just nobody here. Just us. All for us. No green frogs though. Report on the green frogs. No green frogs.
There's still time.
Okay. One froggy. Let's go swimming.
What happened?
My hair.
Your hair got stuck in the vine? Uh-oh.
Not. Oh.
No problems.
Beep, beep. Oh my God, that shit is.
That is amazing. Huge roots.
We made it.
We made it out of the Rainmaker. What a magnificently beautiful park.
Amazing.
Easy to get to, spectacular waterfalls, all kinds of amazing plants and animals to experience. Wanted to say thank you for joining myself and Mashenka on this journey through the rainforest. If you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up if you're feeling generous. Subscribe. We got a lot more fun stuff coming to you during this trip to Costa Rica.
Oh yeah.
Until next time, stay salty.